Thank you so much, Susan. I know people are really waiting for the phase 3 launch of NYOTA Fund in Kisumu, where you'll be covering Kisumu, Homa Bay, and CI. But again, what is it all about NYOTA? What is NYOTA?
So NYOTA, quickly, what is NYOTA? NYOTA is National Youth Opportunities Towards Advancement. It's a job creation pipeline that has got two pathways. So the first pathway is skilling and retooling of our young people, aligning their skills to the job market. And there we have two tracks. The first track is recognition of prior learning. Here we target to benefit at least 20,000 young people who have got existing either talents or skills that probably they could have acquired them in the environment in which they reside in. And with this, I mean you meet, let's say, a carpenter, a young person who is very good in carpentry works because of just supporting or having existed in an environment where either one parent or even a relative was in that kind of sector. So with time, participated with it. Now he has skills. But what stands in between him and a competitive position outside there is the papers. So what we do, we assess the skills through the support of NITA and our TVET, and then we satisfy the existing skills so then they can compete well in the job market. That one we target to support 20,000 young people across the country. Already there is an assessment going on in most of the TVET centers. So I want to encourage young people, especially from this cluster, from this region, Luo Nyanza, who probably had applied for RPL, that they need to visit the TVETs and the various NITA centers where the assessment is going on. Then the second track under the skilling, which aims at enhancing employability of our young people, is on job experience. And we rolled out yesterday a second application window. And today, this is the second day. Again, we target to benefit at least 90,000 young people in all the 1450 wards across the country. Already, application is going on. You just dial *254#. You select NYOTA, and you'll be guided up to the point where you're going to select the on-job experience. And there, young people will have to be placed to employment organizations, for example, businesses, industries, and where for a period of one year, they'll gain skills, they'll gain experience and exposure and networks that will enable them become more competitive, either being absorbed in the same organization or maybe later also starting their own business, as well as also looking for jobs outside that supportive employer organization. So applications are going on, and it's open for 2 weeks up to the 14th of next month. That will be Valentine's Day. So we want just to remind our young people, if you haven't applied and you are not a beneficiary of business support, kindly run to your phone. It's zero rated. You don't need any airtime. You just need to charge your phone and then just dial *254# and follow the instruction. Then the second pathway is where